Bago mag-start kanina yung training session, is nagkaroon kami ng quick lecture on the formation and ano yung attacking patterns na gusto namin. For the past weeks, medyo nagkakaroon ng disconnect sa attacking namin. Pero ngayon na mas naging clear at naging may system na i-apply namin paano yung pag-create ng passing chance, ng passing lane. Nagkakaroon kami ng threats ngayon. And yun yung nag-reflect and nag-manifest sa training session today na nasunod ng players. Dahil nasunod nila in just a matter of time na ginawa namin before the training, it shows the quality of the players na meron yung team on how they adjust well. Despite na short and very quick and madalian lang yung lecture nga. Over the past weeks na nagte-training yung team, ang dami pang adjustments. Siyempre, binibuild namin yung chemistry, sinusubukan namin na mag-gel with each other. Madalas siyempre due to commitments, hindi ganun ka-busy hindi ganun ka-kompleto yung mga players. But now, after ilang weeks na nagte-training, unti-unti na nagkaka-gel. Especially we improve a lot in the transition zone. So ngayon, because we have a midfielder who played a great game earlier, nagkakaroon kami ng more chances in the final third, in the attacking third. Kaya kami nakaka-convert ngayon ng goals at ng mga opportunities and threats against our opponents. So way better ang attacking in terms of attacking, way better ang improvement namin ng team ngayon.